How's it going? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be discussing the access modifiers of protected and private. Now, starting with the protected keyword. The protected keyword means that data can only be accessible to the package and its subclasses. So your main class or the first class you create in your file can't be protected. It has to be public to be accessed by other packages. So for example, in our first package we have public class A, and then it has three protected methods: set name, and get age. In package 2, we import package 1 and class. In package 2, we import package 1 and class A. So in our right example, we have a B class. The B class doesn't extend the A class. It's its own entity. So public class B has a name and a price. Now if we make class B in package 2 extend class A, objects of the B class have access to the set name, get age methods, and the data fields of name and age. So that's how the protected keyword works. Alright, now let's go to private. Alright, for the private keyword, only subclasses, variables, and methods can use it. And private also means that data can't be accessed by any other classes or packages. So for example, on the left, in your first package, you try to create a private class A. Java will give you an error because your main class can't be private. But on our right, when we change it back to public, it can be accessed by other packages. Alright, so for private variables, in our left example, our public class A has two data fields, name and age, which are set to private. So when you create a second class that imports, on our right side, when we try to import package 1 with class A, and when we try to create an A object, we can only call on the methods from package 1 because they are public. But since name and age are set to private, our A object can't access those data fields. And then for private methods, in our left example we have a public class A and two public data fields, but we have three private methods. On the right side, when we try to import package 1 with class A, our class B main method contains an A object, and then our A object can only have access to age and name, but not the methods. If you have any questions, comment below. If you found this video informative and you would like to check out more of my videos, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.